Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to expand and simplify the following quadratic expression. So I set up this table at the left hand side of this video, and well, you can think of it as like trying to find the area of the blank rectangle. What do I mean by that? Well, 3x and 2x. To find the area, I multiply 3x by 2x. This will give me positive 6x squared. So this is my 3x, and here this will be my negative 4. So to find the area, I multiply them. I will get negative 12x. Negative 3, positive 2x. This will give me negative 6x after I multiply the length and the breadth. Negative 3 times 2x. This is negative 3. This is negative 4. I just need to multiply them to give me positive 12. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. And to find the total area, I just need to add everything up together. I have my negative 6x, positive 12. Well, there's only one x squared term. There are two x terms, so I will have to simplify this together. Or further, negative 12 and negative 6. This will give me negative 18x, positive 12. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.